Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
In this video, we'll show the best 5 survival knives on the market. But let's first look at what you need to consider before buying one. Let's dive into the video. Number 1, most popular. KABAR full-size US Marine Corps fighting knife. The knife was first used by the United States Marine Corps during the Second World War and is still a popular option among both active and retired servicemen 50 years later. This USA-made cutting tool features a 1095 carbon steel blade that is coated with epoxy powder for more strength and durability. It also includes a 100% leather sheath made from Mexico that protects you and others from harm while also keeping the 7-inch blade sharp for longer. Number 2. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Knife. If you prefer the classic look, you will love the Buck Knives 119 Special Bowie knife. The 10.5 inches tool features a classic hardwood cocobolo handle with palm swells to give you a more comfortable grip. It also comes with a strong 6-inch clip point 428C steel blade that is heat-treated using Buck Knives' exclusive heating treatment. Apart from making the blade stronger, the unique treatment that involves heating, freezing, and reheating also makes it sharper and corrosion-resistant. And with the high-quality leather sheath, you can retain this sharpness for longer. Number 3. Timber Rattler Western Outlaw Bowie Knife. The Timber Rattler Western Outlaw is an attention grabber with its classic grey hardwood handle. You could buy it for its charming looks alone, but it performs nearly as well. Its 11 3/8 inches full-tang steel blade is sharp right out of the box and will come in handy when performing a wide variety of tasks. Apart from accentuating the knife's aesthetics, the brass finger guard combines with the hook at the back of the handle to keep your hand from slipping during heavy-duty applications. And thanks to the leather sheath, you can easily carry the knife with you. Number 4. KABAR Becker BK9 Combat Bowie Fixed Blade Knife. With a total length of 14.25 inches and a weight of 1.05 pounds, the tool has an excellent weight and size ratio. So you will have an easy time wielding it in survival situations. You will also love the high-carbon 9-inch steel blade that is coated with epoxy powder to guard against corrosion and the ergonomically designed Cutlery handle that enables you to use the knife for long periods without feeling fatigued. Number 5. United Cutlery USMC Marine Force Recon Giant Bowie Knife. At 16 3/8 inches in length, this Bowie is about an inch shy of a machete. It is large enough to be intimidating but is perfect for tough situations and even tougher users. The 11.5 inches blade is made from AUS-6 stainless steel and perfectly fits into the overmold rubber handle. Concealing the blade may not be as easier as with other knives on this list. The best thing is that it feels like a firm handshake in your hand.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.